Hi, my name is Tracy and I live in San Antonio, Texas with my husband and 3 kids. And today I get to talk to you about one of the questions that we commonly get, which is, what if I'm not at my goal weight? Or what if I'm super fit already? How is Beachbody and coaching gonna fit into my life and what it is that I do? I will say that I got started with Beachbody when I was postpartum with my son Eric. But what I really wish that I had done is I wish that I got started with Beachbody when I was pregnant with him, because people want to be able to see that journey. They want to see what it is that you're doing when you're pregnant, throughout the pregnancy, and postpartum to get back into shape. They want to be able to see what it is that you're doing, because maybe, just maybe, they can see themselves in you. They can see them doing the workouts that you're doing in order to lose that baby weight. They want to see what it is that you're eating. They want to follow along in your journey, and that's what coaching is really about. It's about being able to show people your journey of how you are staying in shape or how you are getting in shape. Because we're all humans, and they want to know that they can still eat a piece of pizza. They can have a beer. They can eat on Thanksgiving. They can eat on Christmas, and they don't have to count the calories, and they can still stay in shape. Because we can all go to gym classes. We can all go to the bar classes, or the Orange Theory classes, and you can work out for 30 minutes or an hour. But what are you going to do for the 23 other hours in the day to make sure that you're not sabotaging the work that you've done when you were exercising? And I think that's what the beauty of Beachbody is, what we provide. We provide not only the exercise program, but we provide a nutritional guide as well to make sure that you are fueling your body properly. One of the best things that I think you can do to fuel your body is to drink Shakeology. And I will personally say that when I got started with Beachbody, I didn't drink Shakeology. I was not a believer in a Shakeology, and I just didn't think that it would benefit me at all. So I did my first month of Beachbody without drinking Shakeology, and I was feeling good, but I wasn't feeling great, and I didn't have a lot of energy. And so I thought in my head, you know what? Let me go ahead and try Shakeology, and let's just see if this makes a difference at all. And I got Shakeology and I started drinking it, and I felt amazing. It gave me more energy. I could actually feel my hair getting better. And when you're postpartum, you lose hair. And so my hair was actually great during that postpartum, better than it was actually with the 2 other kids that I had. And my nails were stronger. And so there's so many benefits within Shakeology, and I encourage you to obviously try it. But if you don't love it, you don't have to continue with it. We're not making you buy something and take something that you don't like. But some people love it and some people don't. When you become a coach, you actually get a month's supply of Shakeology. And like I said, if you don't love it, you don't have to continue with it. There are other things that you can try from, there's the collagen, there are beach bars. My kids love the beach bars. Oh my goodness, they go googly-eyed over it, and they will eat it like every day if they could. Like I said, there's beach bars. There is a post-recovery drink. There's a energized drink that will help give you energy to complete your workout. So there are other things to try. And so you don't have to drink the Shakeology if you don't want to. But like I said, there's so many great benefits within it. I would encourage you to obviously give it a try. If you give it a try and see what you think. They just came out with peppermint mocha, and I am super excited to go drink that. So that's a completely different side note. But as a coach, people want to be able to see your journey. They want to see what it is that you do and how it is that you are fitting Beachbody into your life, and what it is that you are doing to stay in shape or even get into shape. So you don't have to be at your goal weight. And if you are at your goal weight, great. Encourage others and motivate them to stay in shape or get into shape, so that way they can be the best version of themselves. And like I said, if you have any questions, definitely feel free to reach out to myself, drop questions, or ask the coach that invited you over to this info session. But I hope that answers some of your questions in regards to what if you are not at your goal weight, or what if you're completely fit, and how Beachbody can fit into what it is that you do. Have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.